Hi guys! Is your Apple Watch stuck on activation lock or showing lock to owner and you can't use it anymore? Maybe you bought a second-hand Apple Watch or you forgot the Apple ID that was previously connected. And now the watch is completely useless. Well, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock an Apple Watch iCloud activation lock or Apple Watch lock to owner without using a computer and without the previous owner's Apple ID. Yes, you heard that right. No computer, no complicated software, and no technical skills required. This is the latest 2026 updated method, and if you follow the steps exactly as I show in this video, you'll be able to reset and unlock your Apple Watch step by step. But there is one important thing. You must watch the full video and follow every step carefully, because if you skip any step, the method may not work properly. I will explain everything slowly so that anyone can do it. Many people try random tricks from the internet and end up making the watch permanently locked, so make sure you follow this guide exactly the way I show you in this video. So if your Apple Watch is stuck on activation lock, lock to owner, or asking for the previous Apple ID, this video is exactly what you need. Before we start, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends who have the same problem, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful unlocking tutorials like this. And if this method doesn't work on your Apple Watch, don't worry. Just comment below with your Apple Watch model, and I will try to help you with another solution. Now let's get started and unlock your Apple Watch step by step.